All right, now as I was saying, we're going to talk about number 2 here. It says Courtney has $71 in her account. She wants to save at least $90. So the total amount of money she's got in her piggy bank has to be greater than 190. That's a piggy bank. We want it to be bigger than 90. 190. Well, she's got 70 so far, right? 71. And where does the amount that she's adding figure into this? We'll say D is the amount she makes. So how would I express these ideas as part of an inequality? Or rather, as what's in the piggy bank? $71 plus D has to be greater than 190. Now this is where things get kind of crazy. The phrase "at least" means greater than. It does not mean less than. Even though least and less sound similar, they're not the same. Or equal to. Correct. Because at least means we want to get to the 190 or more. Or equal to. And so that would be the expression I'm going to be solving as part of this. It says, write, solve, and graph an inequality. I'm going to run out of room here if I'm not careful. But that's the expression. So the big challenge coming into this test is taking these key words and turning them into that expression. Now what I hope is that at this point you guys are comfortable taking this expression, saying, oh, subtract off 71. That's going to leave me D. Do I switch the sign when I subtract? No. Must be greater than or equal to 119. And then when I graph that, here's 119. What kind of dot would I make if it's greater than or equal to? Closed. And then I shade to the right. Not the left. Remember, if the variable is on the left, I shade the direction it points. So we'll go that way with it. So there's the equation, or sorry, the inequality written. There's the solution, and there's the graph. It's all about taking the key words and translating them into that inequality. That's what this worksheet's mostly about, guys. It's not the solving and graphing it. I know you know how to do that. My worry is taking the English into the math. So when you're working on this, don't look for the quick route to get this or ask for a friend, hey, just give me the equation, I'll solve it. Really focus on getting the equation, because if there's anything I want to see is that first. That's the important part. That's the takeaway.